Hello everyone. So my name is Samuel Wiyemi and welcome to Just Somewhere. So this YouTube video, I'm going to talk about content strategy and growth plan. So what is content strategy? Content strategy is a strategy that is going to let viewers engage with your YouTube video and like that, and it's going to let the YouTube algorithm to push your video to more people to watch. So the first thing is you should define your niche. So know why you are even creating a content. Is it for sales? Is it for your subscribers? Or is it for brand awareness? You can be creating for brand and can be creating for maybe subscribers, people that is going to be watching your videos. And two is choose a particular niche. So if you want to create a YouTube video now, you have to okay, what content do I want to be creating? So you have to know the niche that you are going to be creating a content on. Not only that, a niche can be a entertainment niche, tech niche, it can be about niche and it can be educational niche. So you have to focus on a niche first before if you want to if you this is part of our content strategy and growth plan. So you have to focus on a niche first before any other thing. Before you can grow on YouTube very well, you have to have a content strategy of what is the niche that I'm going to. So the niche that you are going to, you have to focus on that niche and be making a video on that. So and identify your target audience, pay points and desires. So you have to identify your audience. What's your audience was? You have to know it. Okay, you are making a video that should be maybe 5 minutes. You say a lot of things that is not even meaningful. Maybe at the beginning of the video or the end, and the video is even maybe up to 10 minutes. They are not going to engage. So you have to find a way for your target audience to engage it. And the second one is content pillars and format. So what is content pillars and formats? So content pillar can be maybe you should be select 5 core topics you will rotate around. So under your niche, you have to create maybe 5 topics that you are going to create around. And that topic can be maybe, for example, in crypto now, I may say I want to create maybe 5 topics around Pi network. So you have to get that and choose format. Is it short that you want to be? Is it short tutorial that we have some content creators on YouTubers that they only have short videos, they don't have any long form videos. I have watched more than 10 videos this week. If you match formats to a platform algorithm like YouTube favor retention, and so if a lot of viewers watch your video for maybe like 5 minutes, maybe out of 8 minutes, so that is like your retention. YouTube is going to push your video more to more people. And if viewers only engage for maybe 30 seconds, that means that they are clicking away, and that is sending a back signal that this video is not going to perform well. So it's going to affect your views. So the third one is content calendar and consistency. What is content calendar? Okay, you have to stick to a plan. Maybe you are going to be making a content every week, maybe 4 contents every week, or 3 content every week, or 1 content per 1 week. So you have to know that, and you have to be consistent. Not so that you should maybe make a video today and next month you should come back again, you should come and make a video. That is not how you are going to grow on YouTube. So you have to be serious about YouTube, that hey, this boy is doing well, like he's growing his YouTube channel and is very serious. So if you are not serious with consistency, like you posting every time, not like every time, maybe every hour I'm talking about, like maybe every week, one video per 2 days. That is like 4 videos in a week or 3 videos in a week. So if you are doing it like that, it's going to like it's still going to be part of it. That is part of growing. And if you are consistent, like posting like that, that's the matter of consistency here. So it's still going to help YouTube algorithm to be pushing your videos to much viewers, and people will be able to engage. So SEO and algorithm optimization. So what is SEO? SEO is search engine optimization. So this means that these are the keywords, title or tags that will let viewers to see your video. So if there is no, if you don't optimize the title well, or the description, or the tag, or the hashtag, people will not be able to locate your video. Your video will be going down, 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 down. It will not even appear maybe at the first video, maybe first 5 videos at the when they search for maybe for a particular topic. So you have to know that this are one of the thing. Your YouTube title is very important. It's very important. This is what people will see. Your YouTube title is going to let is the one that will let your video to appear on the YouTube page. So tags is going to let it be maybe your video will be ranking 2, or hashtag and tags is what is going to let your video to be for the ranking, and for people to maybe click on your video maybe for even 30 seconds is your thumbnails. So you have to create an engaging thumbnails, not a clickbait. Note this: if you create a clickbait thumbnails, that means that you are maybe people not being able to engage for a long time. So they will just click on your video, and once they see that what they are looking for is not in the video, they will click away. And if people started clicking away on your video, this will be as a bad signal. So it's going to have like a negative impact on your YouTube channel. And what will let people to engage more is watch time. So if people watch your video for a long amount of time, it's going to be part of it. It's going to push it. The algorithm of YouTube is going to push it to more viewers to watch and engagement. If they like your video and they comment and they subscribe, so that's particular video that people that have watch time, highest watch time, that people like, that people comment, is going to have higher engagements than the video that have low engagements, like no subscribers, no view, no engagements, no like, or no comment, or no subscribers. People will not be able to engage that kind of a video very well. So that is why you have to know this. Growth tactics, I'm going to talk about this one too. So cross promote on other platforms. So you can maybe cut part of the video, a very interesting part of the video, maybe like into maybe 30 seconds up to 1 minute, and post it on maybe TikTok or Facebook Reels. So this is going to let people to come from all these places to your YouTube channel to go and watch that video, and you can collaborate with anyone other your niche that is going to promote your YouTube channels too, and is going to help you. So you can run ads. If you are maybe sales, if you are maybe a company that is maybe producing something, or you are a small business owner, so you can produce ads for your video, and this is going to help you to boost views also. And you can leverage trend without losing your identity. So what is the meaning of like you can post something that is trending, that is based on your niche. Maybe in crypto now, as I'm doing maybe crypto content now. Last year there's a Telegram trend of airdrop. So a lot of people jump on it, and it really has a great impact. This is the type of thing that I'm talking about. So you have to be aware of any trend that is happening in your particular niche and create a video about that. So if you create a video about that, it can even be a video that is going to let you monetize quickly, because people will be able to engage more. We want to engage. This is analysis and iteration. Track what is working. So go to YouTube Studio, under analytics, know the video that is performing very well. Then create another topic around that video again and see if it's going to get views. So this is one of the like strategy that can keep people moving. Okay, this video is performing very well. Okay, what I'm going to do is that, okay, I'm going to create a similar topic, like a topic that is very near to this one, and just create it like that. This is one of the things that you have to know. You have to study your best performing videos, maybe in terms of engagement, maybe in terms of subscribers, in terms of like, in terms of comment, and replicate the same style or format, replicate the same format. So you have to know what is not working, the video that is not performing well and the one that is performing well. So I think this, if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section, and start posting your YouTube videos today. Start posting now. There's no time. Start posting your, create a YouTube channel and start posting your videos. There's no time anymore. Just have a limited time. Don't even know that maybe the trend that we even maybe let your YouTube channel to be monetized maybe has even gone. You don't even know. So start creating content now. If you have any question, can drop it under this video comment section. I'm going to go through that, and make sure that you like, you subscribe, and share this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching my video, guys. Peace.